Copy, no St. Paul cars will get involved. They can help with perimeter, but will not chase.
This is Raven coming up to Franklin. Speed's 40. Gas coming on rim.
Nice, they're losing it. They're losing it.
2750, we're in Minneapolis. He's almost on the rim. Pass. Through Bedford. Yeah, Rod Rim's coming up to McLean. Coming through.
We gotta pit this thing, man.
Yeah, we gotta end this.
45, we're having.
Get in front of it and pin it in.
29.
They're gonna lose.
40.
Coming up to construction. Oh my
Southeast 27.
God. Come on,
Coming up to 25th. He says. Lunch. Paper. Northbound Oak Street. Community. Yeah, Oak. I'm gonna try for a pit here if I get a chance.
Copy, when it comes
Speed's 50. Moderate traffic. Going through Southeast 17th. If we got any Minneapolis or anyone that can assist.
Minneapolis and State Patrol have been notified.
Good, right?
So don't pit it on the campus.
Get ready.
Go, Mike, go. Come on.
Through Southeast 14th. Through Southeast 13th. It's about a block and a half up.
Near Aurora and Victoria. Mail truck.
Through Southeast 10th, losing tires.
Butter and cheese. Cars waiting in the back parking lot of Best Steak and a Black Audi.
All bailing.
8th.
Yep, 8th Avenue.
Foot bail on 8th.
Where's Kill?
They had to run west. 8th and Uni, north of Uni.
Happy 8th and Uni.
5th.
What?
Happy 8th and 5th.
How many?
Whoever was behind us, hold the east perimeter, make sure they don't double back. We're all on 7th. We should have a good perimeter on the west side. We got them contained in the square block here. They got to be in the apartment complex.
Go back to the car with K9 and get ready for a track. 2755, I'm on the vehicle.
Let's hold down west. Make sure.
Chance Minneapolis is around dispatch.
They've been advised. They said they were going to air it. They didn't say that they were sending help. I'll confirm.
Yeah, I'm on forward. I might be off with that mail party.
Does Kill have a description?
Kill, you got a physical description on our occupants here?
Ooh.
One colored hoodie, red or orange. One with a white hoodie. 2 juvenile black males. That's what I thought, though.
Your incident has been updated. Your incident has been updated. Your incident has been updated.
I'll go to Tony and act
Your
as lethal.
incident has been updated.
2750, see if you can drop the patch in channel 2 and transfer it to Minneapolis so they can help us set up this perimeter.
Minneapolis, do you copy? They want you to take the patch?
Physical. 2 juvenile black males, one in the orange or red hoodie, and one with a white hoodie.
All right, backseaters, we are in Minneapolis.
Your incident
Just
has
out.
been updated.
Hi.
What's happening?
Stolen car. Kids fled from it.
Updated.
North side or south side?
You obviously saw the whole thing. They have now abandoned the car and fled on foot. What's up, man?
We couldn't hear what you said.
I was just seeing. You see any kids run past?
No, we didn't. Like, how many do you know?
2 orange hoodies, black males.
Orange hoodies, okay, both of them?
North.
Well, it would have been 2 heading towards you. You guys would have saw them. So,
Thank you.
yeah, no, thank you.
Just north of 4th, boss.
We're just trying to see if these kids made it
Your incident has been updated.
this far. Sounds like we got them contained in this
418 Southeast 8th Avenue.
square block. So it was a stolen Bronco. Deputy Pat Scott got good sticks. And a pursuit ensued.
We got K9 out.
And we got canine tracking.
2750, you can switch to LTAC 1. You have your dispatcher there?
So my partner Kyle Williams, he went to go help act as cover.
2752. K9 accounts taken from the suspect vehicle. Copy, is it both or just one? Sorry, can you clarify? Both weapons. Did you say you had 2 parties in custody, or are you just on the perimeter search? Negative. We are at the suspect vehicle giving canine announcements. We're about to start a track plus.
So as you hear, it's about to start track.
The vehicle is starting canine track shortly, 13.
And hopefully we can locate them.
Black males, orange or red hoodie, other has a white hoodie. 2 juvenile black males, one has an orange or red hoodie, the other one has a white hoodie. That could be. In 2751, they were last seen from where that Bronco is, driver's side, coming into the parking lot of this apartment complex. They did not make it to Southeast 7th Avenue.
Sorry to leave you hanging there for a little bit. Just had some business to conduct. There's the stolen Bronco right there. Fortunately, can't get a good view of the shredded back left tire that led to this. The one and only Pat Scott was able to get stop sticks on the vehicle before we even lit the vehicle up, so that was extremely helpful. And that's a big reason of why we continued this, was because we knew that they're inevitably gonna have to stop and foot bail with the shredded tire. So that's why we carried on and sticking with them through the U of M campus and whatnot. We got 2 in custody. We suspect there might have been a third, but we're not entirely sure. But either way, we did a good search of the area. He's not still currently here, so we're gonna go ahead and let that go. But we did get 2 in custody, and both of them are very, very well known auto thieves to us. We've dealt with them quite a bit in the past, and yeah, they're no stranger to us. So we're just gonna have to get this Bronco towed and back to its rightful owner. I don't know, it's not in very good shape, unfortunately, anymore, but maybe they can restore it back to its old ways. But for now, we're gonna be hanging out, waiting for the tow. Hopefully we can delegate that out to someone else so we don't have to sit here and bore you guys further. Who we got sitting on the tow? I don't know. Would you guys mind? Since we're live right now? I don't think we want to sit here for...
I've got to change in the tow sheet, but it's going to by itself.
Thanks, Phyllis.
All right. I think we're back.
145.
I think it was up against it. I think I saw it up against it. And then once we backed it up off of it, it kind of came off. Yes, from the get-go.
Why?
I was just curious.
Hang on. 1 second, backseaters. We'll get rolling here shortly.
No. We literally left the LEC and hopped on the payload. Found it.
I want to know you guys were live.
Yeah, we went live.